YouTube channel. This is today's greatest adventure of all. We have started working on this here. What is it? It is a Carter go-kart. And hopefully with everything that we're going to be doing on extensive mods, there's going to be, it's going to have extensive light rack, a switch panel right here so you can actually reach up and hit your good switches, control all your Here's Jimmy.
What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Y'all done got the introduction for that. By the way, that was Thomas. It's one of my mom's friends. And, well, boyfriend, friend.
Everything!
Whatever. You get the idea.
Yeah.
But he told y'all what we're going to be doing to this. Right now, what we just done was, I'll insert that clip. But like he said, we're going to be stripping all this down, and we're going to sand it, every bit of it, and then we're going to prime it and repaint it and get it looking good. I'm going to try to get a metal plate to go over this and go down so far, like he said, so then when he put the switches here. Guys, I hope you enjoy it. If you're ready for this, hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, go down and hit the subscribe button. Turn on post notifications so you get notified. And let's get into this montage, you guys.
Yeah. We got this. We're going to do this for y'all.
Let's go. Let's do this montage. Woo! Took off of here, got everything took out, and we're fixing to work on trying to get this motor off. Go ahead and strip it off. It had another light up here. We done took it off. We did it off cam. Earlier, like when I first got it, it had this on it, which was a brake, and it had broke. The cable ran up to the front. I've already took it off in the past. I gotta get a new one. But yeah, we're gonna get this motor off here real quick and let's get this going real quick. Oh yeah, real quick, you guys. It's always good to keep all your stuff together because you never know what you might end up needing later on. So be sure to always keep your stuff together. Got all these bolts loose, so now we're gonna lift this up and take it right off. Fuck yeah, hold it off of it. Alright you guys, so we got all that done, and we're gonna work on some of this another time. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope maybe y'all can learn a little something from this, even though we're not really doing much, but we're kind of showing you how to strip it down. We're gonna be showing you how you prep your stuff for paint and all that. We're going to take this, when we get ready to sand it and paint it, we're going to take this to another building and lay down some drop cloths so we don't get any dust stirred up or anything like that. And we'll sand it and then we'll paint it when we get ready to and all that. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, if you did, hit the like button. Let me know what y'all want to see from this also. Any questions, just ask me. I hope y'all are excited for this build as much as I am, because I've really been thinking a lot about it lately. But it's basically all I've been thinking about lately. I've been talking about it every day.
Yeah, he has.
I've been looking a lot of stuff up about it and trying to learn as much as I can. But like I said, I hope you guys enjoy it. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment down below what you thought or what you want to see. I love you guys to death, and I'll see y'all next time. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to go hit that subscribe button right there. Also, if you don't care, please be sure to go check out these other 2 videos over here. I really appreciate it. I love you guys so much, and thanks again, guys.